In the Rococo review of Robotic Ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the EA home value 2 on my Exness account for months. And zounds, it's homed my profits to steady growth with the panache of a parodic safe haven steward. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that treats your account like a cozy fortress. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this EA Home V2 Guardian of Gains. The zip folder for the EA Home V2 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, multiple set files for different pairs, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the EA Home V2 to XAUUSD's M30 Proscenium, loaded the recommended set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the EA Home V2 parades its consistent performance on Exness, turning deposits into steady profits with monthly gains like $1,070 in January 2026. Daily small steady steps, monthly solid returns, equity curve a bemused smooth ascent, lampooning wild roller coaster bots with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at reliable level, meaning trades winners more often than not. Perfect for those wanting growth without the drama. Average win solid, while losses are tightly controlled thanks to the EA Home V2's built-in low drawdown strategy and automatic stop-loss take profit that keep risk tame. Get this. Net profit builds month after month. That's the kind of edge that compounds safely on gold without overtrading. Drawdown stays beautifully low, so even in volatile sessions, equity stays calm. Risk of ruin practically zero. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely. For every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M30 entries. This month's analytics? Another strong bar showing over $1,000 profit with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy, but it's thriving reliably, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of babysitting charts. If you're after a bot that delivers consistent monthly profits with super low stress, this EA Home V2 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the EA Home V2 on MT4 with ticks from recent months, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $2,142.65, gross profits $2,184, edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced, win rate strong overall, average trade positive with max drawdown very low. Steady performance, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So wrapping this up, if the EA Home V2 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting EA Home V2 strategies. Link's right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.